there's three crucial pieces of information you want to be looking for. One is going to be square footage, two is going to be legal description, and three is going to be year built. What you're going to do is go to the Lubbock County Appraisal District and you're going to search the address, and or you can search the owner's name. Then you're going to see right up here at the top, the legal description is Woodland Park, and the square footage is 2712, and you can see the year built was 1981. Once you get this information, you're going to go back to the multiple listing service. You can do a custom search. We're going to select the solds, and we want to start off with only going 3 months back. So we're going to go to January of 2019. We're going to go down to square footage. So the total square footage was 2712. You're going to go 200 below and 200 above. Then we're going to go back and we will copy the legal description and put that in there. Year built is going to be 1981. So generally we'll start off with 5 years. So after you have put this information in, you're going to do preview count. You want at least 3 solds and 3 actives. If you can't find 3 actives, that's okay. The most crucial thing is finding the solds, because that is what you're going to use to compare your property. If you're not getting 3 solds, what you can do is start going back month by month until you are able to get at least 3 solds. So we'll do view results. You can see here we only have 2 solds, so what we'll do is we'll go back to revise the criteria, and we will go back another month. And you will keep doing this until you find the correct amount of solds. If you're having to go too far back, what you can do is start expanding the square footage by 100 square feet at a time above and below. So what we'll do here is expand that square footage and see if that gives us a few more options. So now that we got our 3 solds, what we're going to do is go over to the right hand side of the screen and click display and click map view to make sure that all these properties are within a reasonable distance of the one that you selected. So 7710 York Avenue is going to be right here. They are all within a reasonable distance. So we will click CMA. Then we will go to PDF and go. Then what we'll do is we can see the average price of the solds, and that's right at about 91 a square foot. You can see that one here has sold for $72 a square foot. So what we're going to go back and do is look at the displays in the one line grid to see if the condition of this property is comparable to the one that you're going to go and list. and most of the time you'll see that the day of your listing appointment. So you can see here that this one is fairly outdated, and you'll go on to see the other solds to see how they compare. Now that we have an idea of the condition of the properties, one thing I like to do is go back to the main page and click save. The reason you want to save this is so that way whenever you're at the property, all you will have to do to show them the comparables is go to your saved searches, click on the one you just saved, and then it will automatically pull up the search you just made so that way you can show them the current conditions. What we'll do is we'll probably price this one at about $98 a square foot unless the condition is really pristine. So we will do $98 a square foot times the total area of the property, which is 2712, and that is how you will get your list price.